Imagine being able to invest in your health with something simple, accessible, and even enjoyable. For those managing diabetes, diet can be a daily challenge filled with questions. Will this meal spike my blood sugar? How will it impact my health? Living with diabetes requires constant vigilance. But there are some fruits that can help balance blood sugar levels without sacrificing flavor. In this video, I'll introduce you to 5 fruits that are not only safe for people with diabetes, but also provide real benefits for keeping blood sugar stable. If you're feeling restricted by typical diets and want natural ways to improve your blood sugar control, make sure to watch until the end. Sometimes, the key to better health and reduced treatment costs is as close as your plate. Stay tuned for 3 bonus tips on how to incorporate these fruits into your diet safely and practically. And if you enjoy health content, especially about diabetes, don't forget to hit the like button. Fruit 5. Pear. Let's begin with a fruit that can be a fantastic ally for people with diabetes, the pear. Often seen as a simple snack, the pear offers much more than just great taste. It's a powerful contributor to health, especially for those managing blood sugar. Rich in fiber, water, and essential vitamins, pears are one of the safest fruits for individuals with diabetes. Their unique combination of nutrients supports balanced blood sugar levels, making them a smart addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. One of the standout benefits of pears is their high fiber content, particularly pectin. This type of fiber forms a gel-like substance in the stomach, which helps slow sugar absorption. For those with diabetes, this slower digestion can lead to steadier blood sugar levels, avoiding the rapid spikes and dips that impact energy and well-being. By simply enjoying a pear, you're helping your body process sugars more gradually, a key advantage in blood sugar management. Pears also have a low glycemic index, meaning they have minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This makes them an excellent choice for snacks or part of a balanced meal, offering a satisfying sweetness without causing sudden glucose spikes. They're convenient to take along as a quick snack, and their natural sweetness often satisfies cravings without added sugars, potentially lowering the need for other health interventions. Incorporating pears into your daily routine is easy. Try adding sliced pear to oatmeal in the morning, or mixing it with greens and nuts for a balanced salad. The natural sweetness of pears pairs beautifully with leafy greens, creating a nutritious and enjoyable meal. Fruit 4. Apple. Let's dive into a fruit you may know well, but might not have fully considered for diabetes management: the apple. Known as a staple of a healthy diet, apples offer real benefits for those managing diabetes, providing a safe, delicious, and versatile choice. With their rich blend of fiber and antioxidants, apples help maintain steady blood sugar levels and are simple to incorporate into daily meals. The key to apples lies in their high fiber content, especially in the skin. Fiber is essential because it slows down digestion, which prevents quick sugar spikes after eating. This gradual release effect is particularly helpful for managing diabetes, as it enables the body to absorb sugars at a steady rate, keeping glucose levels stable. So, when you enjoy an apple, you're not just having a refreshing snack, you're supporting your body with a consistent energy source, without sharp rises and drops in blood sugar. Apples also contain polyphenols, powerful antioxidants, primarily found in the skin, that can improve insulin sensitivity. This makes it easier for cells to absorb glucose, helping maintain balanced blood sugar levels. Including apples in your diet provides gentle support in glucose management, a valuable asset when looking to reduce dependency on medications or supplements. Adding apples to meals or snacks is simple and flexible. Slice an apple into your morning oatmeal, add it to a fresh salad at lunch, or enjoy it as a snack. Apples pair perfectly with cinnamon or a handful of nuts, adding both fiber and healthy fats for enhanced blood sugar support. Fruit 3. Blueberries. Let's dive into the benefits of a small but powerful fruit for diabetes management: blueberries. These little berries are packed with impressive health benefits, especially for blood sugar control. If you're craving something sweet but want to maintain stable glucose levels, blueberries are one of the best options. They're naturally low in sugar, high in fiber, and rich in antioxidants, making them both delicious and a strong choice for supporting your health. A unique feature of blueberries is their high content of anthocyanins, a specific antioxidant responsible for their vibrant color. These compounds are essential for improving insulin sensitivity, helping your body regulate blood sugar more effectively. By incorporating blueberries into your diet regularly, you're supporting better insulin efficiency, which can lead to fewer blood sugar spikes and more consistent glucose levels. Think of each blueberry as a little helper on your journey toward long-term health. In addition, blueberries are an excellent source of fiber, which slows digestion and helps keep blood sugar levels stable. This slower absorption is ideal for diabetes management, as it prevents quick spikes in blood sugar, helping you maintain steady energy throughout the day. Blueberries are also versatile and easy to add to meals. You can enjoy them at breakfast, as a snack, or even in salads. Their natural sweetness can help curb sugar cravings without the need for added sugars. With blueberries available year-round, it's easy to plan healthy, convenient meals. You can find them fresh or keep a bag of frozen blueberries on hand. They're always ready to add a delicious touch. Try adding them to oatmeal, mixing them into plain yogurt, or blending them into smoothies for a hint of natural tangy sweetness. Fruit 2. Avocado. Here's a surprising fruit that can support blood sugar management: avocado. Although we often think of avocados as creamy and savory, they're technically a fruit, packed with nutrients that can help maintain balanced glucose levels. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which don't cause blood sugar spikes like carbohydrates do. For those aiming for steady glucose levels, adding avocado to your meals can be transformative. One standout feature of avocados is their high fiber content. Fiber plays a crucial role in blood sugar control by slowing digestion, allowing your body to release glucose gradually. Think of it as a gentle speed bump for sugar in your system. This slower release keeps you feeling fuller longer and can help prevent energy crashes. Adding avocado to your diet provides a steady fuel source without the blood sugar roller coaster. Avocados also contain magnesium, a mineral known to improve insulin sensitivity and aid in blood sugar regulation. Magnesium is often underappreciated, yet it's essential for people with diabetes, as lower levels are common in those managing this condition. Including avocados in your diet can naturally support blood sugar balance and overall health. Versatile and easy to incorporate into any meal, avocados can be sliced into salads, spread on whole grain toast, or blended into smoothies for added creaminess. Their mild flavor complements both savory and sweet foods, making them a flexible addition to your diet. Fruit 1. Strawberries. Let's dive into a vibrant, naturally sweet fruit that stands out as a top choice for people with diabetes: strawberries. With their appealing color and delightful taste, strawberries are an excellent addition to any diet focused on blood sugar management. Not only are they delicious, but strawberries are also packed with essential vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which work together to support steady glucose levels. For those managing diabetes, strawberries offer a satisfying way to curb sweet cravings without the worry of blood sugar spikes. What makes strawberries particularly beneficial is their low glycemic index. Low glycemic index fruits release sugars gradually, preventing the quick sugar rush that can happen with sweeter fruits. This slow release is especially helpful for people with diabetes, as it gives the body more time to process glucose without overloading the system. eating strawberries feels like a treat. Yet they're among the fruits least likely to cause blood sugar highs and lows. Strawberries also shine in their high antioxidant content, especially anthocyanins, which give them their rich red color and have anti-inflammatory effects. Reducing inflammation is crucial for overall health, and it can help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to use insulin more effectively. In short, regularly eating strawberries can help support long-term blood sugar management by enhancing the body's insulin response. In addition to antioxidants, strawberries are a great source of fiber, particularly in their seeds. Fiber slows digestion, helping to stabilize blood sugar and sustain energy levels. The combination of natural fiber and low sugar content makes strawberries a well-balanced fruit, perfect for daily enjoyment. Adding fiber-rich foods like strawberries to your diet is an easy way to support stable energy levels, which is valuable for anyone managing diabetes and looking to curb sugar cravings. Another bonus of strawberries is their low-calorie content, allowing you to enjoy a generous portion without concerns about weight gain. Since maintaining a healthy weight is often key to managing blood sugar, strawberries make for a delicious, guilt-free snack. A cup of fresh strawberries has around 50 calories and only about 7 grams of sugar, making it a satisfying and diabetes-friendly choice. Strawberries are also incredibly versatile, fitting seamlessly into a variety of meals throughout the day. Whether added to breakfast, blended into smoothies, or used as a salad topping, their natural sweetness complements both savory and sweet dishes. Pairing strawberries with Greek yogurt, oats, or a sprinkle of nuts creates a balanced, nutrient-rich snack or meal that's gentle on blood sugar. Additionally, strawberries are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts immunity and protects cells. For people with diabetes, a strong immune system is crucial, as high blood sugar can make it harder to fight infections. Vitamin C also supports skin health by aiding collagen production, giving you a boost in multiple areas. This essential vitamin also helps reduce oxidative stress, which is key in preventing further complications for those with diabetes. Incorporating strawberries into your diet isn't just great for blood sugar management. It's a simple way to add color and flavor to your meals. A handful of strawberries a day is a small but tasty step toward better health that doesn't compromise on satisfaction. Enjoy them fresh, blended, or in a wholesome recipe like chia pudding. Strawberries are a diabetes-friendly choice that keeps meals nutritious and exciting. Before you go, check out the playlist on the screen for more valuable videos on eating better with diabetes. There are tips there that could transform your daily routine and blood sugar control in ways you might not have tried before. Click to explore the best choices for your health, and I'll see you there.